Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 17 from the playlist of Basic Mathematics for NEET preparation. The topic is the differentiation of a sine function. So today I have taken a very simple question, and the question here is that if sine 2x plus sine 2y is equal to 0, then what will be the value dy by dx? So here what I will be doing is that I will be considering that let us say u is equal to sine 2x. So and here if 2x is equal to, let's say, v, then u will be equal to sine v. Now du upon dv will be equal to cos v, and v here is equal to 2x, so I will be getting cos 2x. Now du upon dx will be equal to, this will be equal to du upon dv into dv upon dx. Now du upon dv is equal to cos 2x, and dv upon dx. Now dv upon dx will be equal to 2. So the value will be equal to 2 cos 2x. So if I differentiate sine 2x with respect to x, then I will be getting the value as 2 cos 2x. Now I will have to find the value of sine 2y. So that is for sine 2x, if I differentiate this with respect to x, then I will be getting 2 cos 2x. Now similarly for sine 2y, the value will be equal to, for sine 2y, so here I will be getting 2 cos 2y into dy by dx. So it implies that 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 2y into dy by dx, this will be equal to 0. Or simply we can say that cos 2x plus cos 2y into dy upon dx, this is equal to 0, or dy upon dx, this will be equal to minus cos 2x divided by cos 2y. So the answer will be equal to minus cos 2x divided by cos 2y. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session we will be coming up, or I will be taking up a very different question, and the topic will remain the same, that is differentiation. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.